flow everything using my iPhone 17 Pro. Na kami kasi masyado na kaming tabaers. Look at that, so nice. You can hear the splash of the water. Kasi yes, dito kami nag-pictorial ng nakaraan. Ako din yan, hindi rin.
Wow! I like this.
So this is the small lake. And this is the floating water.
Ow! Ow! What's up?
Nagbagyo na. Kaya maganda dito mag taping ng Cinderella.